Welcome to our channel. Today we how to identify profitable business niches step by step clearly. To identify profitable business niches, begin by brainstorming your interests and passions. List down all the fields that genuinely excite you. Consider the skills you possess that can be turned into a business. Next, research market trends using tools like Google Trends to gauge popularity over time. Look for emerging trends that indicate growing interest in specific areas. Examine potential competitors within these niches. Identify what they do well and where they may be lacking. Assess the target audience for each niche by defining their demographics and behaviors. Use online forums and social media to gather insights on consumer needs and pain points. Analyze existing products or services in the market and note their success levels. Calculate the profitability of the niche by considering potential pricing and audience size. Create a simple SWOT analysis to evaluate strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for each niche. Determine if your niche has room for growth and innovation. Test your niche idea by conducting surveys or interviews with potential customers. Evaluate the feedback to understand the market demand and adjust accordingly. Once you've identified a niche with potential, draft a business plan outlining your strategy. Set clear, achievable goals that align with your vision for the business. Finally, stay adaptable and committed as you enter your chosen market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.